All right, folks, what we have here is a Chevy Suburban. This is 2013. Customer complaint is that brakes are making noise. Okay, when you like a grinding noise when you step on them. The brakes were done 3 years ago, but it drives very little. All right, so you look at the rotor in the front. Okay, got its little issues, little lines here and there, got a little lip from wearing out. If you look at the brake pads, all right, they're actually pretty good. Okay, on both sides, they're very good. See that? Plenty of material there. I'm gonna say almost, it's only got 3/4 left. Okay, but look at the rotor in the back of this. I'm gonna show you. You see it? That's where the noise is. Okay, brake pad is only making contact on the shiny part. The rest is rust, and it feels like sandpaper. Okay, you see it? It's throughout the whole rotor, all the way in the back. That's from rust. Let's turn it around. You see on the other side. Let me see if I can turn it. Turn it to a different spot. See what that looks like. Same thing. See it? So the brake pad is the whole length of the rotor, but it's only using that half of it, basically in the middle. Okay, right there is what's being used, and this here is that grinding, sanding sound that you hear. Okay, because it's against the rust of the rotors. Rotors are thick, so it's going to need rotors. This one's got little marks on it over here too. So these you could change because of the age, okay? Not so much because it wore out. So that'll be up to the customer. If they want to deal with the noise, knowing that the brakes are good. All right, same thing here. You can see the grooves. All right, starting to go in there. There's a little lip here. Let's see what the back of this thing looks like. Let's go this way. It's a little better, but you see right here, okay, the rust is there. The brake pad surface is only grabbing that. So then the noise that you hear is the grinding of the edges of the rotor right here when the brake pads contact that. All right, same thing here. Brake material, it's hard to tell because when you shine a flashlight, it's worse. Okay, but the brake material is very good here. There it is, you can see it there. See it? It's thick. It's not even worn out much. And here it is over here too. See if I can show it to you. Okay. So, technically it doesn't need brakes, but if you want the noise to go away, you gotta change the rotors with the brake pads. All right, that's it. It's an oldie. Little rust here and there, like all Chevys do. We're gonna go and check the back brakes and see what those things look like. All right, let's go to the backs. All right, so while looking at the backs, the brakes are just as good. All right, look how much meat is still on them. And look in the back. You can see how much meat is on there. Okay, if you see that the little metal tab sticking out, so you can see it without unfocusing over here. Right there, there's a little rectangular tab. Okay, that when the brake shoes wear out, that is going to grab this rotor, okay, and scrape on it like nails on a chalkboard. Right, that's the noise. But same thing with this rotor. Has a little bit of a lip. Brakes are in good shape. I mean, you could sell them anything. Any shops will probably sell them anything, but here's the rotors. You can see the pronounced lip on the bottom there. Okay, you can see it. From here you can see the lip. You can feel it over here with this lip. Okay, so the brakes are working. They got plenty of meat left. Probably got a good year for the amount of miles that this goes. So then that means this will be 4 years on these brakes. All right, but come check out the other side. this side over here. Brakes are still just as good. Okay, got plenty of meat. Look at that. But look at the back here. See the rotors? See how it wore out over there? All right, so here's the back of the rotors. Look at this one here. You see? See the shiny part that's being worn with the brake pads. And then this is the rust that's creeping in from the edge and from the inside. Okay, so this is how thick the surface normally would be, except for a little bit more. And then when you look on the other side, it shrunk. All right, so when you step on the brakes, the brake pads are grabbing on this rusty part, so it's like sandpaper. And that's where your noise is coming from. All right, so the choice is up to the customer. You want to do 4 rotors, 4 brake pads, or just deal with this until the brake pads start to go. Okay, because you guys know how expensive rotors and brake pads are with parts and labor. All right, so the brakes are good, nothing wrong with the brakes. It stops, it goes. Just when you're stepping on the brake pads, brakes, the pads are gonna hit that little rust, and that's what's gonna happen. The fronts are worse than the back, but they both seem to be on the right side. And you know why? Because this is the curb side. This is the side that catches most of the water that's running off to the curb, because the road is crowned, so the water's always on the right side. And the right side brake pads and rotors always take the most abuse. And that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Rotor the Rust here.